हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा दव शुभ नामे जाहे दव शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे दव जय गाधा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
At the very outset, I convey my best regards to the members of the Legislative Assembly seated here for the first session of the 17th Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, who have been chosen by the people, the real masters of Tamil Nadu, in the recently concluded Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly elections. As members of this historic assembly, the very heart and intellect of our democracy, I am confident that you will debate on people's needs, enact laws accordingly, and safeguard the welfare of the people.